Hello, my friend. Welcome back to my channel, Lilybird Time. Keeping a home organized and clean is undeniably challenging. With our hectic schedules and numerous responsibilities, it's easy for clutter to accumulate and cleanliness to take a back seat. However, it's crucial for our well-being and overall comfort. In this video, I will share our tried and tested approach to maintaining a clean and organized home by Follow 7 professional tips. Get ready to transform your living space into a heaven of cleanliness and order. Let's dive in and discover how these tips can revolutionize the way you manage your home. Tip number 1, make sure everything has a place. This is all about assigning a designated spot for every item in your home. When everyone in the family knows where specific items go, it's much easier to keep the house clean and organized. It may take a bit of time to get everyone on board, but the payoff is worth it. Access your belongings. Take inventory of your possessions and determine what categories they fall into. For example, group similar items such as books, kitchen utensils, or toys together. Choose storage solutions. Invest in storage containers, shelves, or organizers that suit your needs. Opt for clear containers or label them appropriately for easy identification. Assign a specific place for each item. Make sure every item in your home has a designated spot where it belongs. This will help you find things quickly and avoid clutter from accumulating. Tip number 2, put everything away after use. This might seem like an obvious tip, but failing to put away your belongings is the main culprit of untidiness. When you fail to put things back where they belong once you're done using them, clutter starts to pile up around the house, making the cleaning process that much more stressful and time-consuming. Develop a habit. Train yourself and your family members to adopt the habit of putting things away immediately after use. Whether it's dishes, clothing, or tools, encourage everyone to take a few moments to return items to their designated spots. You'll save time and reduce stress by knowing exactly where to find things when you need them. Tip number 3, implement a one-in, one-out rule. Tip number 3, implement a one-in, one-out rule. The one-in, one-out rule is a simple and effective way to manage the items in your home. The idea is that for every new item you bring into your house, you let go of an existing item. By doing so, you ensure that your possessions don't accumulate unnecessarily. I've bought a new countertop toast oven. Instead of adding it to my already overflowing storage, it's time to implement the one-in, one-out rule. Afterward, I must choose an item to release. I examined our possessions and identify a coffee maker that we no longer use, need, or have emotional connection with. Since the coffee maker is still in working condition, I intend to donate it. Once you've identified the item you want to let go of, decide how to part with it responsibly. You can donate it to a local charity, sell it online or at a garage sale, or recycle it if it's the appropriate option. Tip number 4, set aside time each day for decluttering. Making time each day to declutter and straighten up can help to prevent messes from piling up. On a daily basis, there are several cleaning activities you can perform to maintain a clean and tidy home. 1. Make the beds. Start your day by making the beds in all rooms. It instantly makes the room look neater and sets a positive tone for the day. 2. Wash dishes and clean the kitchen. Wash and put away dishes after each meal to prevent a buildup of dirty dishes. Wipe down countertops, stovetops, and sink to maintain cleanliness in the kitchen. 3. Clean up after meals. Clear the dining table and wipe it down after each meal. Sweep or vacuum the floor to remove crumbs or spills. 4. Quick bathroom clean. Wipe down bathroom surfaces such as countertops and sinks using disinfecting wipes or mild cleaner. Quickly scrub the toilet bowl if needed and wipe the mirror. 5. Tidy up living areas. Do a quick tidy up of living areas such as the living room or family room. Put away items that are out of place, fluff cushions, and straighten furniture. 6. Floor maintenance. Sweep or vacuum high traffic areas and clean up any noticeable dirt or spills. 7. Take out the trash. Empty the trash bins throughout the house and dispose of the garbage in the appropriate outdoor bins. 8. Pet care. If you have pets, clean up after them daily. Dispose of litter, clean pet bowls, and remove any fur or messes they may have created. Number 5. Keep cleaning supplies easily accessible. The rule of keeping cleaning supplies easily accessible emphasizes the importance of having your cleaning tools and supplies within reach whenever you need them. This tip ensures that cleaning tasks become more efficient and manageable. By keeping everything you need right at your fingertips, you'll be more likely to use it regularly and prevent big messes from forming in the first place. Tip number 6. Tidy one room at a time. The easiest way to keep your entire house clean is to tackle one room at a time. By splitting up the cleaning by room, or even by day, you can accomplish a little bit at a time instead of tackling every task at once. For example, Monday, laundry and dusting. Tuesday, bathrooms and vacuuming. Wednesday, living room and mopping. Thursday, bedrooms. Friday, kitchen. Saturday, organizational and miscellaneous tasks. Tip number 7. Stick to a cleaning schedule. While there's no best time to clean your house, you can create a cleaning plan that works best for your family's unique schedule on a weekly basis. Weekly activities include dusting, cleaning surfaces, furniture, shelves, tabletops, and electronics. Vacuuming and mopping. Remove dust and debris from carpets, rugs, and upholstered furniture. Mop hard floors. Bathroom deep cleaning. Scrub bathtub, shower, toilet, cabinets, and mirrors. Kitchen cleaning, clean appliances, countertops, backsplash, sink, stove burners, and range hood. Bedding and fabric care. Change the wash sheets, pillowcases, and towels as needed. Dust blinds and curtains. Laundry. Sort, wash, fold, and put them away. Personally, I enjoy ironing the bedding once it's been washed. I have found out that by incorporating these tips, we unlock a multitude of benefits. Firstly, we save time and energy as these tips are designed to streamline the cleaning and organizing routines. Secondly, a clean and organized home promotes a sense of calm and reduces stress. Thirdly, it enhances productivity by minimizing distractions and enabling you to focus on the tasks at hand. Additionally, an organized home reduces clutter, making it easier to find and access the things you need. Thank you for watching, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips and insights to elevate your lifestyle. Wishing you a home filled with cleanliness, order, and endless comfort. Until next time.